Good morning, dear students, and welcome to our English text class. Today we'll take Unit 3, Section 2, that is Molyneux. Now, children, in this lesson, we'll see or we'll study about a beautiful little village called Molyneux. In this video, we will see what is so special about this little village, Molyneux. Nestled in the pristine hills of Meghalaya lies the cleanest village of Asia. Molyneux is the name of this tiny village located in the East Khasi Hills of Meghalaya, 90 kilometers from Shillong. So children, this little village, Molyneux, is situated. Nestled means situated and pristine means clean. So this clean little village is situated in the hills of Meghalaya, East Khasi Hills of Meghalaya, and it is 90 kilometers from Shillong. It is popular all over the world as God's own garden. So with which name it is popular? God's own garden. No wonder, because the people living in Molyneux believe that cleanliness is next to godliness. It has won the acclaim of being the cleanest village in Asia in 2003. Now here, acclaim means to be praised for something. So it has won acclaim of being the cleanest village in Asia in 2003. Cleanliness, as we all know, gives good health. Dirty homes and unhealthy surroundings where garbage is thrown all over become the breeding grounds of diseases, causing bacteria, mosquitoes, and different types of germs. These lines means that when our surroundings are clean, our health is not affected. But if our surroundings are not clean, then there will be bacteria and mosquitoes and different types of germs which will cause various diseases. Cleanliness is not just the government's or the municipal corporation's responsibility. The people of Molyneux realize this fact, and the community has made joint efforts to maintain a clean village. Now see children, cleanliness is not only the responsibility of a municipality corporation or our government, but we all have the same responsibility towards our cleanliness. By 2007, the village had been eradicated. The practice of open defecation with toilets built for each household under the Nirmal Bharat Abhiyan. So by 2007, the people of village in Molyneux had gotten, or they do not allow anybody to go to the washroom in the bushes or somewhere else. So the toilets were constructed for every house under the Nirmal Bharat Abhiyan. The onus to keep the village clean lies with every person living in the village. Every person is involved in cleaning roads, picking up leaves, and throwing garbage in a beautiful bamboo garbage bin. Now children, onus means responsibility. So children, it was not just the responsibility of government or municipal corporation, but each and every person who lived in the village was responsible for cleaning roads, picking up leaves, throwing garbage in a beautiful bamboo garbage bin. Now children, bamboo garbage bins were handmade. Okay, bins create a pretty picture in every nook and corner of the village. So every nook and corner of the village, there were bamboo bins, and these bamboo bins were handmade. Cleanliness is an age-old tradition and a way of life for all villages. Children as young as 4 learn to keep their surroundings clean at school. Tidying up is a ritual that everyone, from children to the senior citizens, take very seriously. So children, at school in villages, children were taught to keep their surroundings and school clean at the age of 4 only. Keeping the surroundings, whether it is a child or an adult, it is a practice and responsibility that is regularly done in the village. Even in the times of the great-grandparents, and the future generation is being trained to follow this pristine tradition. So children, The villagers of Molinong are very proud that even in the past that when their great grandparents were alive, then also they used to maintain cleanliness, and even today the future generation, that is kids who are the future of this village, they are also trained to keep their surroundings clean, and they are continuing the tradition of keeping the surrounding clean. The question arises that cleanliness as a habit is so hard to impress upon members, then how do the people living in Molinong get a community to become the role model of cleanliness and sanitation? It means that it is so difficult for others and ourselves to keep the surroundings clean. So the question arises that how the people of Molinong get a community to become a role model, like there are group of people, they have made the community who take care of all the cleanliness and sanitation of the village. The spirit of cleanliness of this tiny Indian village is commendable and truly inspiring. Somewhere deep down, each one of us has thrown a peel off or an empty packet carelessly on the road or even at home, expecting it to be someone else's responsibility to remove it. The question that remains is how to inculcate the habit of cleanliness in all of us. So, children, there are many times when we have thrown a wrapper or a peel and we think that somebody else will pick it up and throw it in the dustbin. We don't do it by ourselves. So, now the question arises how to inculcate. Inculcate means to be taught or to make it an habit. How to make it an habit to keep our surrounding clean. Now, commendable here means deserving praise or appreciated. Okay. The answer, it seems, is to catch children young. In the villages, their schools, the next generation is already learning and being groomed to keep up the tradition of cleanliness and good health. So the answer is, children, from a very young age, a child should be taught to keep their surroundings clean. In the school, also next generation is already learning it. So if we will teach them now the importance of cleanliness, then the tradition of cleanliness will continue in future. Not only this, children who play on Molinong's spick and span streets means neat and clean streets, are involved in cleaning them all along with the dedicated town gardens. Boys and girls as young as 11 years old begin their day around. All these village kids are involved in the cleaning and beautification of the town. In the village Molinong, children who play on the roads, streets are already clean. They are also involved in the cleaning of the road along with the gardens of the town. So before going to school, they go on the roads and they remove all the leaves and garbage with the brooms and that are made by themselves. The children are also responsible for emptying the bamboo rubbish bins, which are surprisingly hand-woven, cone-shaped baskets found all over the village. So, the children are also responsible for emptying the bins, which are handmade, made with the bamboos, and they are in the shape of a cone, which is a basket, and it can be found at each and every place in the village. In Molinong, waste management also deserves applause. Organic waste is separated from burnable trash. Leaves and other biodegradable wastes are buried in pits and used as fertilizers. Also, the organic waste towards healthy living. The non-biodegradable waste is destroyed far away from the village. Now, children, in Molinong, what people do is they separate the different types of waste. If they are organic waste like leaves, leftover of fruits, leaves, vegetables, etc., they use them as fertilizers. And the garbage which is to be burned, they keep it separate and destroy it. So Molinong village is actually very popular for its cleanliness and it inspires people a lot. So the tradition should be followed by every village and city. The town gardeners are dedicated to the cause of combining cleanliness with beauty. They grow and maintain plants and flowers that line the footpaths, making Molinong indeed God's own garden. So, children, in Molinong, the gardeners in the town, they are dedicated not only for growing plants but also they keep they maintain the cleanliness or the beauty of the garden or the place. They grow flowers, different flowers in a line to at the footpaths. So it make Molinong indeed God's own garden. Molinong village has become a role model for each and every Indian. Their tradition needs to be followed in every village, town, and city. Their spirit of cleanliness is infectious and must be spread around all around for a healthy living. Tourists visiting this place often repeat what everyone else has to say. Walk in and all the typical rubbish is mysteriously, miraculously absent. This means, children, so as an infection, as it spreads from one to another, similarly, cleanliness must be spread around whole world. So when the tourists visit this area, Molinong, they say that when they walk in the village, all the rubbish, all the garbage that is there, it is mysteriously and magically disappears. It actually is not disappearing, it's just a saying. The people of village make it a point that village is neat and clean every time. So children, we must make a habit to keep our surrounding neat and clean. So in a neat and clean healthy surrounding, our health will also be healthy. So children, hope you have understood the lesson. Thank you and have a nice day.